Guys, it's almost been 5 years that we've been together.
Surely has been. Remember how we started off as a student organization from Lovely Professional University?
Well, guys, our university and our DSA have surely been a huge part of our lives.
Now look at us, we are one of the fastest developing companies in India.
Yeah, that's true. But guys, did you get the news? Our company has announced a trip as a bonus. Since lockdown has tied us all down, our CEO has announced a refreshing holiday.
Really? Where is it?
Well, not sure, but there are speculations that it could be Lakshadweep Island.
Oh man, this sounds great. Refreshing beaches during the summer.
It says here, Lakshadweep was formerly called as Lakadweep. It is a union territory of India and has a total area about 33 kilometers. And the capital of Lakshadweep is Karavati, located in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep is an archipelago of 12 atolls, 3 reefs and 5 submerged banks with a total of about 39 islands and islets.
Oh, that means more beaches than expected. All islands are 220 to 440 kilometers away along the coastline of Kerala. It is formed by the coral gatherings of the volcanic crests in the Indian Ocean. It is fondly called the tropical paradise. Islands experiences a beautiful tropical climate. Temperature in summer is 22 to 35 degrees while in winter is 20 to 32 degrees. You can enjoy the clear blue sky here.
Here, the literacy rate of Lakshadweep is 91.85% and official language spoken here is Malayalam.
Thankfully, I've learned enough Malayalam from my college roommate. I'm not very fluent at it, but I can surely manage with the ifs and buts. Here is a list of some islands where we could find enough adventure for a lifetime. Minicoy Island. They feature a beautiful lighthouse, which is a major attraction where one can get the view of Virgin Island, Lakshadweep Island and Arabian Sea from a height of 300 feet. Agathi Island. Snorkeling in the calm waters and shallow shores which are full of colorful reefs and exotic underwater animals. The Agathi Island Beach Resort is an incredibly popular resort in Lakshadweep.
We are so having a photo shoot there. There is a stunning marine museum houses here with some exotic fish and magnificent marine underwater species. Home to wonderful marine life, this museum is one of the best places to learn about underwater life in India.
Now, that's the island I'm talking about. Kadmat Island is the perfect fishing spot for you. Kadmat Island, among others, is a popular spot for the adventure of kite surfing. This is dazzling exotic island, one which will take your breath away its exotic beauty. You can also enjoy parasailing, luxury yacht cruise, kite surfing, canoeing and more on these breathtaking islands.
If we are going to this trip, I definitely need to go shopping.
Hey, since we are doing this, let's get into even more detailed information. I have a friend who lives in Lakshadweep. Let me give him a call.
Hello everybody. I heard you wanna travel to Lakshadweep, my hometown. That sounds great. You're surely lucky to be working in such a company. How can I be of help to you?
Well, give us an insight of your rich culture, food that we should try, and places we shouldn't miss exploring.
Sure. For anybody to travel to Lakshadweep, there are 3 ways. Lakshadweep Island can be reached by ships and flights operated from Kochi. For all tourist purposes, Kochi is the gateway to Lakshadweep. Agathi and Bangaram Islands can be reached by flights from Kochi. Indian Airlines operates flights from Kochi. There are no direct flights or trains between New Delhi to Agathi Island. The convenient way to reach from New Delhi to Agathi Island is to take Indigo from New Delhi to Ernakulam and then take Air India from Ernakulam to Agathi Island. Apart from this, the culture. The Lawat dance is a traditional folk dance of the people. This dance form is very popular amongst the folk dancers of Lakshadweep. Kolkali is a group dance performed by men to the rhythmic music created by the beating of 2 sticks. Parishakali is based on Kalari movements. The rhythmic movements and the steps of this dance owe much to the martial arts of Kalari. Atham is performed by both male and female troops. It's a performance based on songs written about the social life of local people. The name Atam itself means dance. Ulakamuttu is another form of dance which requires much skill and precision. It is performed by males only. These are during the festival seasons. You guys be sure to visit during that time. It's fabulous and colorful at the time of the year. While sambar rice are easily available. Curried and fried tuna fish, egg puri and potato curry is popularly served too. Kavati Island serves Malabar style food, so Malabar chicken and potato is especially common. Also, there are some exciting packages that I've brought from my friend. White Pier Beach Hotel is located at Agati Island and its price is around 5,600 per night. Agati Island Beach Resort located at Agati Island is cost around 5,500 per night. Seagate Holiday Home is located at near Satellite, Agati Island and its price is around 7,500 per night. Kadmat Beach Resort is located at Kadmat Island and it's around 4,400 per night. Kashmir's Homestay is located at Agati Island and it's around 4,600 per night. Mystic Meadows Swiss Cottage is located at Sumur Nubura and it's around 2,700 per night. Tourist Hut Kalpeni is located at Kalpeni Island and it's around 1,000 per night. Here are some places to shop in Lakshadweep. China Bazaar Kavati is located at Kavati Island and it's open from 10 am to 10 pm and you can buy gifts, souvenirs, eatables. Fiber Factory is located at Kavati Island and it's open from 10 am to 5 pm and you can buy fibers. Mohammad Mustafa Supermarket is located at Kavati Island. It's open from 9:30 am to 10:30 pm and you can buy local food. Cooperative Society Supermarket is located at Kadmat Island and you can buy junk, jewelry, souvenirs. Tawakal Clothing Store is located at Hospital Road, Agati Island. It's open from 10:30 am to 10 pm. You can buy beachwear and clothes. Telefold Teen Shop is located at Minicoy Island. It's open from 10 am to 6 pm and you can buy local tea and snacks. I've shared a YouTube vlog for more insight. Guys, I would love to show you around, but unfortunately I'm out of.
Hey guys, how have you been?
We are good. How have you been?
I'm good. So you all are planning a post-lockdown trip?
Well, guys, our university and our DSA have surely been a huge part of our life.
Well, the cultural reserve of this island is quite enviable as it owes its origin to a very old time period. It states that in the wee hours of 7th century. They speak like the people of Kerala and a mixture of Indian and Arabic language can be seen. A type of Dhivehi language called Mal is also spoken. And Jesseri, it's a Dweeb Bhasha, is also spoken. Apart from these, corals, oysters, seashells are also used for making jewelries, ornaments and beautiful decorative items. You can purchase them from beach shop markets or handicraft shops there.
Yay! Shopping!
Hey, what about food?
Sorry, well, Lakshadweep is more of a heaven for foodies, especially for the seafood lovers as it is Feltora of cuisines are served. The local food of Lakshadweep primarily comprises of coconut and sea fish, has been located at a close proximity of Kerala, so is their influence. Mus kebab is one of the seafood dishes to have while in Lakshadweep. Usually boneless fish mu is used for these dishes. The fish cubes are marined. Then these fish are cooked with salted onions and flavored with curry leaves, tomato jimneys and salt.
Wow, that's great. Then I'm surely gonna make food vlog out of this place.